This is Star. Hi, Star. Hi, Star. Hi. 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 Are you a boy girl? She's a shaky girl. She's very true. Yes. Ooh. She's a little nervous. She's 30. She's been angry, picking her feathers. Let's see. Huh. You say hi, Star? Hi, Star. Hello. That's her vocabulary pretty much, aside from these. She makes some whistle sounds. She makes a really loud, obnoxious, like, I have no idea what it is, but it's super annoying sound. Squeaky. I guess I shouldn't point out her bad sides, but at least she doesn't scream. What's your sister doing? You hear Bordeaux in there? Yes, you're a pretty girl.
Hello.
Hello. That's right. Hello. 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 What you doing? You good girl? Say hi, Star. She's so cute. She really deserves her own person who could work with her a lot. I mean, you can tell that they didn't really have anybody really messing with them too much, and you know, yeah. Ow! Don't bite. Don't bite. But like, she didn't like do anything hard. She's learning. Want to step up? There we go. Good bird. You can see her little mutilating her feathers. Ooh. Ooh. Say hi. Clear your throat. No, no, no. Don't do that. Don't do it. I know. Don't chew them. Don't chew them. Yeah. Okay. Let's put you down. Ooh. Yeah. That's a bird.
Hello.
Hello. Here go bird. Here go bird. We're gonna find you a nice home. No, no, no. Don't pick. Don't pick. See. Stop. Poor bird. Poor Star. Poor Star. Ooh. Sweetie? You sweetie? Are you a sweetie? Are you a sweetie? I think she'd make someone a wonderful pet. She's very smart. They just got a couple quirks. But, I mean, I'm a stranger to her. She's only been here for a couple months. I'm already able to pet her, pick her up. I mean, pretty darn good if you ask me.